I'm almost got the evap purge valve out, which is right in there. I'm touching. Released this thing here, just thinking it might get rid of some of the vacuum. Undid this clip for this coolant line just to get this out of the way, and I've just been wiggling it like this and do it forward instead of backward, because there's not much room on the other side. Right there. You get a bit more leverage this way. You just gotta watch out for these little funny metal clips there. You don't want them to pinch into this line here. But I think I've got it almost all the way out, and that's without having to remove the intake or the exhaust manifold. So here we go. Hard to do it one-handed, but that's pretty much out there. Now, I think I've taken off the rubber nipples that were inside the piping, but I think I could refit them to the new one. Oh, come on. There. Alright. There we go. There's the old one, there's the new one. I'm going to just pop these little rubber things off, put them on the new ones. Maybe grab this rubber thing that I don't even understand why this bottom screw thing's there other than support, but and that hopefully gets rid of my P0443 code. Here's the new one with those fittings on there, and these are the little tabs I said watch out for. Let's see, I put a bit of grease on there just to make it easier to slip in and out, and then this little guy's unscrews from the old one, and I did use a pick just to get into it from when it was still on the car, and hopefully this is easy enough to put back in reverse. Just put everything back in, connect every hose up and get the electrical contact in. Let's see how it goes. There it is, dry fitted. This time I found it easier to put the bottom screw part angled towards the back, and then it just kind of squeeze it in, and it's sort of dry fitted right now, but I'll wedge it in there. There it is. Put this back in. Now there's a bit more space for this. Okay, squeeze this back on. Separate ones. And then the actual connectors right here. Right on top of there. Oh. Alright. That should be it. How to deal with evap purge valve without needing to take anything off.